a development to the stretch of the earlier, the 148, which was unveiled itself in October 6 years ago. The maiden flight of the 148 took place in December 04. By late 06, certification testing had been completing, and that whole certification flying took around about 670 flights, over 1,100 flying hours. There's quite a process to go down through any certification. All the tests, rugged terrain, weathers, icing, hot, high, all of that testing has to be taking place. 148 predecessor entered revenue entered revenue earnings service in September last year. And that aircraft flies a scheduled service from Kiev to Krakow. And yes, yesterday I did say I was nicked for speeding in Krakow, and no, I didn't pay the fine. The passenger did. First production aircraft was also serving now on the Moscow-St. Petersburg route. The operational capability of the family, the AN-148 and the 158, is being expanded by the flight testing for unpaved runway operations for Cat 3A approaches. They are baseline version of the aircraft, the 148, seats up to 85 passengers, a range of 2,100 miles. A number of other 100 series variants exist. These are generally tailored for either short or long haul operations. Depends what you want. Different configurations, different cargo or seats. You can also operate in small parcels or palletized cargo aircraft, or as an executive business jet, 2,500 nautical miles, 1,349 to be precise. 43,700 kilos max takeoff weight. 158 is also offered as a cargo aircraft with a rear ramp and payload of around about 13,500 kilos. You can have a combi airframe. Power plant by two Progress D436-148 turbofans, over 15,000 pounds of static thrust in the normal mode. Emergency operations, 16,500 pounds of thrust. Antonov were also in talks with both Rolls-Royce and Pratt & Whitney regarding offering alternative power plants. 5-screen EFIS system. Rockwell Collins provide the communication system. It has TCAS, enhanced ground proximity warning system, GPS navigation, weather radar, including, most important nowadays, is the wind shear detection, which will greatly enhance flight safety.